My name is Angel. Welcome to PMGY Tanzania House. We are having the security guide house, whereby security is always available 24/7 with us. We are having the powerhouse, staff house, but also we are having store equipment room. We are also having garden for chilling in case of afternoons, and also we are having kitchen and gym area for routine fitness. This is the reception area where most of the time you'll find the coordinators here in case of any issues or assistance needed. This is our PMGY Tanzania head office where volunteers do the bookings for safari, day trips, and also departure taxis. This is our kitchen area where the mamas prepare breakfast and dinner for the volunteers, and it is fully equipped where every volunteer will be able to prepare their own meals in a clean and comfortable environment. This is our dining area where volunteers usually have all the meals here, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, but also it's the place where some of the evening activities are being performed, such as Swahili lesson and karaoke. And this is our gym area, which is fully accessible to every volunteer, which will ensure that you still proceed with your fitness routine while staying with us. Welcome your first night at the fireplace, whereby after a long day of orientation and town tour, we usually gather at the fireplace in the evening, enjoying songs and having marshmallows while welcoming new volunteers. This standing pool is one of the highlight areas of our house, whereby volunteers usually relax and recharge after a long day of volunteering. This is the bar area, whereby volunteers usually grab drinks anytime. Everyone has their own preference. PMGY Tanzania, we are here to ensure that everyone is having an option. We are having two kinds of bedrooms, whereby we are having shared bedrooms and private bedrooms. This ensures comfortability and also privacy. In the shared rooms, it has people from 4 to 10 people, whereby everyone has their own bed, which are single-sex bedrooms with enough space for personal belongings and everyone having their own lockers. We as PMGY Tanzania, we ensure that there's thoroughly cleanness throughout the house and also in the bathroom, so that everyone staying with us is having a pleasant time with us. This is the laundry room with both washing and drying machine. So this helps the volunteers, regardless of the weather, to have their clothes clean at all times, and all the activities coordinated by the mamas.